Hello guys, welcome to Canvas Window Art channel. Today we will try to show you how to lighten shade on a cube and a cuboid kind of object, and how you can depict lighten shade on sphere or cylindrical type of object. Most of the common mistake we have seen in beginners drawing is they shade cube and cuboid object with gradation. Flat object like a cuboid and cube, pyramid, all these object doesn't have gradation. Suppose in this composition light is coming through left side, so this is normal in beginners drawing. They shade like a gradation from dark to light. Flat surface doesn't have gradation. So this is a common mistake we found in most of the beginners drawing that could be easily rectified. Here the most of the common mistake is this: from dark to light they have shaded. Same thing will happen to the cuboid and other pyramid, other flat surface objects. That could be avoided, easily rectified, because it doesn't have circular surface. Here I am using 6B pencil, 6B drawing pencil, and the sketching paper, A4 size of sketching paper. I am using hatching technique here. But the same mistake they will do on cylindrical surface also. Cylindrical surface you could avoid shading as a hatching technique, and here that is also gradiated. Okay. Sometime in shadow portion, which is appreciated, the gradation light to dark, because of the reduction of the light from the object, it is appreciated, but not on the object. It's better to shadow the area without a gradation. That should be now, which is wrong, and we will try to make same composition with the proper shading guidance. Now the same composition. I changed it little bit. Now here I have added a cylinder, and then sphere. Now here on the cuboid object, can be shaded without gradation. That means that should be there should be evenness in shading flat surfaces without showing the gradation. That means dark to light is not shown here. If you wanted more darkness, we can have another layer of shading on that portion. This will help us to show up the flat volume. Now here medium light area also shaded without showing the gradation. Again going for the second layer of shading to the dark portion. Now the cube shaded without the gradation. Medium tone area have been shaded with the same tonal value. There is a evenness shown. Now here shown the shadow. Not to mistake, cuboid is on cube, which is kept it behind the cube. Now the sphere, suppose the light is coming from left side, you have to show the highlighted portion. You can leave it as a white portion, as a paper white for the highlight, and nearby area to be shaded with light. That means little bit you have to show shade, and next to the light portion we have to add little dark shading. that is middle tone. Now here I have shaded as a dark portion little bit. Now the sphere object is gradiated. Light to dark, it is gradiated. So you can show a difference between the light, highlight, light and the medium tone and the dark area. And other side of the sphere cannot be shaded fully. You have to leave as a bouncing light. Bouncing light is falling on the object and hitting the surface, and then again back to the object. It is reflected from the surface. That is called a bouncing light. Now here I have shaded, cast a shadow to show up the three-dimensional effect to the spherical object. As well as same thing you have to do for cylindrical object. I'm sorry to the interruption, and on the camera is a little bit shaky today. So the cylindrical object is also to be shaded with gradation. Now you can see the direction of the rendering or shading method. I used a vertical method shading according to the volume of the object form. I have changed shading direction. Opposite to the light direction to be left out, bouncing light. This is cast shadow. All right. So now to do the gradation as shown left side of the picture. Most of the NATA B.Arch aspirants in the beginning of their practice, drawing practice, they do the mistake of gradation. That should be avoided. So which can be appreciated is, without the gradation you have to show flat surface as a flat shading, evenness in the shading, and cylindrical or spherical circular object can be shaded with gradation. Thank you very much. I hope you like this video tutorial. Subscribe, comment and share. We will meet again with another tutorial. Thank you.